Praia da Luz is a popular seaside resort town located in the western Algarve region of Portugal. It is situated approximately 6 kilometers west of the city of Lagos and about 90 kilometers west of the regional capital, Faro. The town is known for its beautiful sandy beach, which stretches for over a kilometer along the coastline. The beach is backed by rugged cliffs and offers stunning views of the Atlantic Ocean. It is a popular destination for swimming, sunbathing, and water sports such as windsurfing and kayaking. Praia da Luz has a relaxed and friendly atmosphere and is popular with families and couples seeking a peaceful vacation. The town has a good selection of shops, restaurants, and bars, many of which are located along the waterfront promenade. There is also a lively nightlife scene in the town, with several bars and nightclubs staying open until the early hours of the morning. The town has a long history, and there are several historical sites worth visiting, such as the 17th century Forte da Luz, which was built to defend the town against pirate attacks. The Church of Nossa Senhora da Luz is also a popular attraction and is located in the town center. Overall, Praia da Luz is a charming and picturesque seaside town that offers something for everyone, from relaxation on the beach to exploring the local history and culture. Yes, many people enjoy Praia da Luz as a holiday destination. The town attracts a wide range of visitors, including families, couples, and solo travelers, who appreciate its beautiful beach, relaxed atmosphere, and amenities such as shops, restaurants, and bars. Additionally, the town has a good selection of accommodation options, ranging from luxury hotels to budget-friendly guest houses, making it accessible to a variety of budgets. However, like with any destination, individual preferences may vary, and some people may have different opinions about Praia da Luz based on their personal experiences and expectations. The cost of living and travel expenses in Praia da Luz, Portugal, can vary depending on the time of year, accommodation type, and individual spending habits. Generally speaking, Praia da Luz is not considered to be one of the most expensive destinations in Portugal. However, during the high season, June-August, and holidays, prices for accommodation, dining, and activities may be higher. On average, the cost of a mid-range hotel room in Praia da Luz can range from 50 to 100 euros per night, while a budget-friendly guest house or hostel may cost around 20 to 50 euros per night. The cost of food and drink can also vary, with budget-friendly options available in local cafes and markets, and more upscale options in restaurants and bars. Overall, Praia da Luz can be a reasonably priced destination, especially for those who are budget-conscious.